How can I fix the red power light on my modem?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to fix the red power light on your modem. If you're experiencing this issue, it could indicate a problem with your modem that needs attention. But don't worry, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve this issue. Let's get started.
Check the power connection.
The first step is to check the power connection of your modem. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into both the modem and the power outlet. Give the cable a gentle tug to ensure it's tightly connected. Sometimes, a loose power connection can cause the red power light to appear. If the connection is loose, try plugging it in firmly and see if the light changes.
Restart your modem.
If the power connection is secure but the red power light persists, the next step is to restart your modem. Unplug the power cable from the modem and wait for about 30 seconds. This will give the modem enough time to fully power down. Afterward, plug the power cable back in and wait for the modem to boot up. Check if the red power light issue has been resolved.
Check for service outages.
If the previous steps didn't fix the red power light issue, it's possible that there might be a service outage in your area. Contact your Internet Service Provider, ISP, to inquire about any known outages in your location. They will be able to provide you with information about ongoing maintenance or network issues that could be affecting your modem. If there is an outage, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved by your ISP.
Reset your modem.
If you've gone through the previous steps and the red power light remains, it's time to consider resetting your modem. Locate the reset button on your modem, which is usually a small hole labeled Reset. You will need a paperclip or a small, pointed object to press and hold the reset button. Insert the paperclip into the reset hole and hold the button for about 10 seconds. This will restore the modem to its factory settings. Keep in mind that resetting your modem will erase any customized settings, so you may need to reconfigure your network afterward.
Contact your ISP or manufacturer.
If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, it's recommended to reach out to your internet service provider or the manufacturer of your modem. They have specialized technical support teams that can provide further assistance and troubleshoot the problem. They may be able to identify any specific issues with your modem and guide you through additional steps to fix the red power light. That wraps up our tutorial on how to fix the red power light on your modem. We hope that one of these troubleshooting steps has helped you resolve the issue. Remember to check the power connection, restart your modem, inquire about service outages, reset your modem, and contact your ISP or manufacturer if needed. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.